Today's video is going to be on my new tires that I got. I made a video like this not too long ago showcasing what the old tire setup looked like on the aftermarket wheels that I got. Just to show you what they look like exactly on the wheel, you know, as far as the fitment of the tire on the wheel, you know, if it's stretched, if it's bulged, if it's perfect. But yeah, so I went with 285 35/19 on the rear, and that's on a 10.5 plus 22/19 wheel. And then on the front I kept it the same as the old tire setup that I had, so it's a 255/35/19 on the 9.5 plus 22. So big difference on just going 10 millimeters wider. The 275 was a bit stretched, so some could say it was a level 1 stretch. It wasn't anything ridiculous, but here it is now on the plus 22, and you can see it now actually fits like a normal tire should fit with a normal, you know, size. But yeah, this is the, like I said, plus 22 on the offset on the wheel, and not on coilovers or anything. I'm on the Bilstein B8 shocks and struts on the front and the rear, and then I have the what's the springs called? Can't remember the name, but they're discontinued, and yeah, I'll remember in a little bit. But you just have to go on the other video, and I said it then, I just can't remember it today. But it only lowered it about 1.25 inches, and then yeah, like I said, same size on the front, so the front's gonna look exactly the same. Line you up here with the yeah, so some, again, we'll call this flush, some will call that not flush, but it's all, you know, opinion based. Yeah, my car is pretty dirty. It rained last night, and it looks like it's gonna rain today. I'm in Arizona. Yeah, we do get rain sometimes, but yeah. So yeah, I got most of the wheel gap out with just the lowering spring. Oh yeah, okay, I remember the name of the springs. They're from a company called Progress. Like I said, they've been discontinued, and I actually got the last set confirmed. But yeah, again, it's a close up, so it fits like a normal size should. And I got the it's a Turkey made tire, so it's from Turkey, Petlas, and it's the Velox Sport PT 741. Again, there's the size right there, 285/35/19. The tread wear is 320. Yeah, there it is, right here. So it's a decently soft tire, not too soft but not too hard. And then here's the front, 255/35/19. Same tire as the back. But yeah, I was gonna get a 305 on the back, a 305/30, but getting under and looking at the clearance that I had. Let's see. You might not be able to see it, but I looked and I didn't want to risk it, so I just went with the 285. But that's it. It's the fitment. Till next time.